Tired of missing Coursera deadlines because you forgot to check? Let's sync your calendar in 2 minutes. I'll walk you through logging in, finding the sync settings, and granting permission. Just follow along. All right, so first things first, head over to Coursera and log into your account. You want to be on your main dashboard, the page you see right after you sign in. Now, look up to the top right-hand corner of that screen. You'll see your profile picture there, probably a little icon or a photo you uploaded. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that drops down, you're going to select Settings. This is pretty straightforward. Just click the word that says Settings. Once you're on that new page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a bunch of different options there. Scroll down until you find the one that says Calendar Sync and click on it. Now, on the main part of the page, you'll see a few different calendar options. What you're looking for is the Google Calendar option. Go ahead and click that button. And here's the thing. Your browser might throw up a little pop-up warning asking if it's okay to open a new window. That's totally normal. Make sure you allow pop-ups for this one, or click the button that lets it through. Once that pop-up appears, it'll be a Google window asking you to give Coursera permission to access your calendar. You'll see a big blue Add button. Just click that Add button to confirm. This is the key step where the magic actually happens. So now that you've done that, you should see a confirmation message letting you know the integration was successful. Head over to Google Calendar if you aren't already there. On the left-hand side of your Google Calendar interface, where all your other calendars are listed, you'll spot a new one. It'll probably be called Coursera or Coursera Calendar. And that's it, really. From this point forward, every new deadline, every assignment due date, every session reminder from your Coursera courses will automatically appear on your Google Calendar. No more manually typing things in, no more forgetting to check. It just works. So take a moment. Look at that brand new Coursera calendar sitting right there next to your personal one. It's a small setup that saves you a ton of headache down the road. Thanks for sticking with me through this. And here's to never missing another deadline again.